Hi guys, today's the day we're going to do the prize draw, so I thought we'd have a bit of fun with it, right? We've got 3 to do: the chopping boards, the kuksa, and then the Berghaus tent. So here comes the first one. It's going to be for the chopping boards. Put all the names into this wheelofnames.com for the chopping boards. So let's see who's won. Remember, you get the small one and the big one for this. The winner is Raz Buddha. Well done, mate. Get in touch with me. I'll be sending those straight over to you. Congratulations to the winner of that. Go to my channel, go to the About section, and you can find my email, or you can message me on Facebook or on my Instagram page, and we'll get that sent out to you. The good news is, if you missed out on that competition, I'm going to be selling these boards. You can get them through my Facebook page or Instagram again. Just send me a message. I'm going to do the small boards for £6 and the big boards for £8 if you want to get hold of those. That's postage included as well, that is, right? Which I think is a bargain. Right, it's on to the next prize draw now. If you enter the word kuksa, this could be for you. Okay, we're going to do the prize draw for the kuksa now.
So we gotta throw all these names.
I'm throw these everywhere, and then when I say the magic words, we'll pick one up at a time, straight in the box. Okay? Ready? Wait.
So
Leave no trace. The ones I'm missing. Does that count? Pick them up after. I can't believe there's so many.
I guess lots of people would like to have it or want it.
We're getting down to the last ones. Oh, Freddie's got it.
Last one.
Who's the winner? JSM Calder Bushcraft and Camping. You are the winner. Contact me, I'll get that sent off to you. Congratulations, bud. Again, post me a message through my email, Facebook or Instagram. Chuck me your details, I'll send that one off to you. If you want to get your hands on one of those kuksas, I'm going to be selling those ones for £12.50. That's postage included. On to the last draw now. I'm going to do something a little bit different for this. I'm going to let the dog choose. You'll see. For the Berghaus tent. Right, it's time for the Berghaus prize draw. I've taken the idea from Camping Wild with the Dragon. Everybody who entered the Berghaus prize draw. When I say the word, release the hound. Let's see which one she goes for.
Okay, but stand behind them so we can see.
Yeah, I'll get ready. Right, go on then. Right, which one's she going to go for? Gotta be quick, yeah. Oh, she's just sniffing them at the moment. Go on, you're allowed one. Go on then.
She's so confused. She's like,
She's trying to take the best one.
so many treats. Which one should I pick?
She hasn't had one yet. Come on.
Come on, Poppy.
Eat a treat.
Take a treat. Take a treat. She picked.
She had one. It's Scorpus Rule. Well done, mate. You won the tent, so she's going to eat the rest now.
Yeah, just let her.
Congratulations, Scorpus Rule, for that. And by the way, I didn't let the dog eat all those biscuits afterwards. I did pick them all up. Right, so that's it. That's 3 prize draws done. Congratulations to the winners. If you didn't win, So like I said, there's 2 things that are up for sale. If you want to get your hands on a kuksa or a bamboo chopping board, drop me a message, we can sort that out. I probably will be doing prize draws again in the future, so if you want to be a part of that, make sure you're subscribed. If you want to be told every time there's a new video, hit the bell as well. Thanks for watching. See you on the next adventure.